Bunjani? Yes, Dumelang. Wala moholo. Isicelo sokulala ngomuholi nesithatha vele. Mhm. You know what that is? Mona moholo. Still lab. What's up? You good? All right, my feet. Can you hear me? You speak English is attractive. Ay. Okay, no. Disrespect for my elders. No, that's good. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What time are you performing? I'm at the hotel. I'm waiting to be picked up. I'm supposed to be playing right now. I don't know what's going on. I'm in Zimbabwe, guys. I'm in Harare. Just had the best supper. Ngiyaphila kunjani mama? Ngiyakuthanda nami ngiyakuthanda. We are losing, bro. Please. Losing what? What are you losing? How's Zim tonight? Zim has been good. I love Zim. Friendly people. Outfit check. I'm lazy though, but should I try to show you guys? I love the shades. Give me the shades again. Mm, 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 mm. You want you to stay? Yes. Yeah, I want to be on stage as well. I want to be sitting at the hotel, restaurant, you know? I want to be there right now. I love you, my child. Me and your man love you, both of us. I'm joking. I make a joke. I make a joke. We need a new what? Oh, a new hit. 2026, guys. 2026. Don't you worry. Bless me with the We Are God's t-shirt. What's your size? Summer Breeze is very nice. Paid 3 a.m., but it's very nice. That's my outfit, guys. Drip check. Drip check. Drip check. Drip check. Drip check. How do you like it? Rate my fit. Rate my fit. Rate my fit. Uh, coming on the 20th of December in Botswana. You like my fit? Not Lueve, it's Valentino. Let me see again. You give me a six? A six? Yeah, but yeah, guy. May I do those simple fits, man, but they hit. So can't give me a six, man. Give that to your dad. Oh, Madrid is playing. I didn't even know, guys. I'm in gym. I'm here for work, so I'm not even watching football. 14 December for East London. One of the sneakers, Louboutins. I'm bringing back Louboutins to the game, guys. You guys forgot about Louboutins. What you know about this, bruv? What you know about this, sons? My camera looks. I'm not Soviet. I'm gonna repeat. What you know about Louboutins, kid? I'm bringing them back. How much is outfit? Come on, leave the price. Rate my fit. Are we ready? Not okay. Looks like you're moving. What's up, guys? Who can I add? Wanna chat for a bit? We're looking at the airports at an 8. It's okay. It's a distinction, isn't it? Not bad. I'm fighting with the 6. Someone give me a 6, nigga. Come on. So Umoya Wako, guys, was illegally released. Someone got the track, dropped it on their own label illegally. That's why it was taken down from Spotify and all other platforms. Apologies about that, but I'm gonna drop that track properly with other tracks. So yeah. I don't, yeah. Can you guys hear me? My gosh. We've been changing networks and stuff here. Where's my car? You're playing games. I'm not going to the show. This- Look at this one. Where's my car? I'm not going to the show without the car, bro. My back or nothing. I'm kidding, guys. Let's go, man. I'm kidding. Let's go. Let's go. Ay, Gamatinga, wala. I'm saying, no, guys, let's go. I'm joking, man. Eh? Why are we panicking? Take a picture. Aren't you going to the show? So why take a picture at the hotel? That's smart, smart, nigga. Who? I'm what? Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah, okay. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Shut up. Yeah, yeah. Over here. Brother, am I going to be able to sit here? You need to move the seat forward. I must go to the car. I'm tall. Eh? Okay, I'll come this side. How's it, gentlemen? Glenn, can you play R&B, please? Like, the lights on and can have R&B playing. Oh, this network. My DJ is Zambia. When I went to Zambia? Or do you went past this year, no? Next year. Uh-huh. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? How far is the venue here?
Shasho Mpetso,
Hola?
ugrand.
Sabuyani.
Ngiyaphila bra wami.
Asiyibona mfethu. Ngikukhuluma nomuntu engamboni mara yinto enjani man? I-phone call.
Ithe mayizwisa unlike.
Rasha. Sure.
Mfethu bengithi bengicela ulalele i-mixtape lami ku-YouTube bese ele house
Kunjani?
yabo bese ngida i-feedback.
Kunjani brakhaya? Right?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyabhuda uthini?
Bengithi ngingathanda mangalelela i-mixtape lami ele house on YouTube Music.
How can I find this?
It's on YouTube. You can search it on YouTube.
Yeah, ngicela wona ama-details ngijam. What's your DJ
DJ Deep,
name? DJs?
DJ Deep, DJ
DJ
Deep
Deep
Kaya.
Kaya.
Kaya's
But
Frequency.
Mara, you must just DM me the link. I wanna le DJ frequency ngiyiphotha mina manje ngoba ngiyokuthinta kancane manje ngiyoperforma ulala ekuseni ngiye-airport frequency angeke
Yeah,
ngiyikhumbule
ngi-DM
ngidm le
bro.
link. Yeah.
Alright, ngizoyenza kanjalo ngiyakuzwa.
Where you from?
Eh, Ridgeway, eJohannesburg South ngase-Southgate Mall.
Oh, I didn't know
Mm.
there's a place called Ridgeway. But it's South Development ngaze Soweto kuphela hayi. Just
Yeah,
kune-heater
Soweto
on la.
Mall.
Kune-heater on, gent. Yeah, it is. 25. Lo mthita lo. Ngihamba nayo ekuseni ngiyokutesta.
Alright bro,
Hayi ke
thumela ilink-ke.
okay, sharp, sharp.
Okay, sharp, ngibongile
Tap WhatsApp.
clear.
So WhatsApp. Hola, hola.
Sure.
So Makayos. Oh no. Wena ngayicela ngathi R&B bangishiya ngilenga labantu laba. But they're playing my music, these guys. Ayingeni indaba yami, my brother. Nani ku-DM? Hayi, u-DM mina ngiyawasaba. Hayi. I talk to gents only ku-DM about music, style. Hayi, loko kunye. Beach Fest, Durban was very nice. Salutes. We're kicking ngiyakhona, my brother. I'm going there now. Just send the gifts. Send. I'm loving it. Let's stop. Yes, let's do Saturday. I remember that one. I was checking the calendar. It was so long ago.
Hey,
Yeah, Diamond Lady.
how are you guys? My room is bad. The lighting. Oh my god, it's Oscar Boy. The fuck?
Njani, right?
Gabrielle Jean.
Anyaphila, mama. Kwenzakalani?
You for adding me. Can I interview you real quick?
Yeah. But keep it
Um,
short and clean, ne?
so what is your next plan for 2026?
Okay, put me off guard. I thought you were losing this like this. 2026. I'm doing my first festival this year called Zulu Escape, right?
Can I get a
2026, I'm
ticket?
doing a 10, and I'm going to say, I'm going to upgrade you. Take it,
For
see
real?
it, and I'm going yeah. Where you from?
I'm from Soweto, the ghetto.
Totra. Gas, lama gas. Yeah, so
You must come
2026, I'm
to.
doing more of my shows. I'm dropping music. I'm dropping more stuff on my merch line and a big fashion brand collaboration. Yeah.
That's dope. Like I like how you commented on Azana's post. Did you guys see Azana's post? The one where she donated food
Yeah.
and stuff. Like that was so dope.
That was
And I
very
feel
nice. I really, so I'm very hard woman. Yeah.
yeah, I feel like the thing that people underestimate about you is how humble you are and supportive of like African artists and stuff. Like you are literally that artist that's there for other artists. I feel.
Thank you so much. That's kind of you to say.
Unangaki manje, baby. 6 months, 7 months, 8 months.
Wow, he's young, he's very young, but we are
So
cool.
cute.
A cool young man. Nah, we are cool. you know?
No, like
Yeah,
I've
cool. But yeah,
always respect Oscar Mbo. He's one of the most humble artists in the world. And with the
it's in
Steez,
the
Steez is a 10 out of 10. Drip on a 10 out of 10 every day. No day off, but look at him get excited.
yeah?
Ubashaye manje. For ini.
Yes. Going on. How's this fellow on your mallet? You all right? Okay, guys, well, let's accept him. Whoever is there is gonna get in. I can't choose anyone. I'm looking at accept. I just accept. Oh, I think I'm shy. I'm shy. Oh, I didn't know.
Yebo bhuti umntana.
Njani, Ted?
Siyaphila njani bhuti?
Yaphila, veza ubuso. Veza ubuso ntombi
Okay,
yami.
okay, ngiyavuma.
Angifuni le nto
Ngizakhanyisa i-light.
ino-TikTok le. Le nto ino-TikTok kuthiwa ukwenza i-live kube yi-phone call. Abantu babo bakubone nawe. Mhlawumbe ungabhukwa
Sha.
ngonkosikazi la sazi ngani. Ulele wedwa manje yabona nama-line. Eh? Ulele
Hayi
wedwa
lutho ngisakhanyisa
ngesonto.
i-light la mbobo wami.
Ukhanyisa kuphi wena i-light ngathi ukhanyisa ngaphandle wena? Ah, ugibela isitebhisi. Hey, Mfundo.
Yebo bhuti njani?
Ilali lukhanyisaphi? Ugibelani mfundo?
Oh, be-
Kuphi?
bengisacela ungikhanyisele bhuti umdala sengiyikhanyisile sengivulile mina ngala ngakini.
Mina ngikhanyiseni futhi. Mina.
Bengisacela ungivulele ilokhuzana ikhamera bhuti sengivulile la ngakimi.
Mina ngibona kanjani ikhamera? Oh, imina ovalile. Hayibo my brother.
Ungivulele ikhamera yami ngakuwe.
Mdad, umhlola lo. Oh, oh,
Azo.
nazo ayibo. Hey, ngithi mina ugibela crazy. Late
Kunjani
piece.
bhuti?
Na. Ayisaphila mfethu man kunjani? Yabona ngathi awungizwa-ke manje. Washa screenshot. Sewabo kusasa-16.
Hayi lutho bhuti umdala.
Ungabayeki,
Cha, siyabona la
ungabayeki.
bhuti. Siyaphila njani?
Ungabayeki. Hayi, saphila mfethu. Ekade sibulisana, eh?
Hey kubi.
Mfundo. Iba nathi la, iba nathi. Eyi, ayiwo, yabona-ke manje, eyi, inkosi kakhulu. Mfundo, right?
Ngi-right bhuti umdala njani?
Hayi, siyaphila, mbo. Kwenzakalani?
Sound. Yazi angazi ukuthi ngihlushwa yini noma network ngisemakhaya bhuti omdala. Kodwa nje ngithi ngikubone ngincoma umsebenzi omuhle wenzela abantu ngithi nje inkosi ikubusise iqhubeke wenza umsebenzi.
Ngiyazwa. Ngibonga kakhulu umdami mani. uNkulunkulu ngathi akubusisa nawe. Nomndeni wakho nonke, nentombi yakho, iy'ngane, mabo ney'ngane, osisi bakho, nonke kubusiseke kakhulu mani. Nihle kanti uKhrisimasi mfethu iphile, unganqaki ekhaya, ungabi isifo, you understand? Phila manduthi man.
Ngiya-understand.
Phila manduthi, yazi.
Ayikho inkinga bhuti omdala.
Yabonga mfethu yami.
Siyabonga kakhulu bhuti omdala. Ube safe lapha emgwaqeni.
Yabonga mfana. Yabonga mfana.
Sharp.
Sharp. What a very kind person. Very nice, kind person.
Sawubona.
Ukunibona.
Ucela ukusibona? Mina ngikhona.
Umanane. Hey, nikuphi yena?
Hello. Hello.
Sure.
My name is Oscar Mbio. My name is Oscar Mbio.
Nina, nikuphi nina mara nikuphi nina? Hey, hey. Ake nilawuleke man. Nikuphi? Hey, Paula. What if you go for airport there? What about you? My friend, I'm sure. Nikuphi?
Sekhaya.
Mina ngishayela.
Mani kancane guys, ayibo. Sisibesi bebenommemulo Nkosi yami. Okay, sicela ukugibela Oscar Mbo. Imali phela. Alright. Amahlelo platform guys. Thulani. Sisibesi bebenommemulo sabamisa. Nisibona sigcwele kanje bese asibovoko guys. Uyasihleka guys. Uzothola phela intombazana azogiyela mara Oscar Mbo ku live.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabonga. Awuyathi ngawathola. Teacher, can you do it inside, my friend? Yeah, cool.
Siyabonga, bye.
Sharp. Ay. Yeah, no, siyabuya. Ngiyabonga ladies. Ngithanda umoya wenu. Ngithanda umoya wenu kakhulu. Asibonga. Athi sikhuluma namancane.
Hi,
Sawubona silindile uMamkhonza.
Anjay.
Eh?
I'm trying
Hayi
to
man.
ngizamkuvula ikhamera. Oh Jesus. iPhone. Why engavumi?
Mina silindile angazi. Like unami la ku-live kukhona okunye obhizi ngako la ngaphandle.
No, ngizama ukwenza ukuthi ungibone.
Kuzama nikezwe 5 seconds uqede. Ngifika kusebusuku nina phela nibuye nenze ezinye izinto ayi.
No, hawe ma kodwa Nkosi yami wayengafuni. Oh nansi. Okay, sawubona.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Right, kwenzakalani?
Ngifuna ukuthi ungiculele because mina ngithole umsebenzi omusha.
Mina,
Njengoba isitomene nje.
mina.
Mina nje uthi nje congratulations Lindile.
Ucula lokho.
Noma ungasho ungaculi isho nje usike ngiyakubongela Silindile. uNkulunkulu omkhonzayo u-right girl.
Yabona manje songikhulumisa okunye manje. Lindile, mina nabantu ababukela i-live sonke siyakubongela.
Hawu ngempela guys ngiyabonga.
But, huh?
Ngijabule kakhulu.
What do you mean, bro?
Yo
But
Silindile.
I'm not in the Maybach, you know.
Congratulations
Yeah,
ngiyabonga.
but I don't know, bro. I don't know, like, but I'm here now. Don't worry. Sure. Hola. Andile, si right la, right. Yeah, like you say, I, I. Sorry, sisi wami, sorry, ngidile nje kancane la. Uthi kanjani Silindile? Sakubonga lezo.
Isimene. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Sengijabulisa ukuthi
Ukuphi?
ngiyangibongela cause ngingedwa ngikwazi nokuzijabulela. Bese ngiyabonga.
Indoda yakho.
Angiyazi isazi ngisazoyithola.
Ngeke uma ungihleke. Angeke uma
Ngisazoyithola.
ungihleke nje kabuhlungane. Ngingahlangana.
Ngisazoyithola.
Indoda yakho.
Ndoda yami
How old are you?
ngisazoba nayo angakabi nayo manje.
Nangakhi iminyaka sisi?
Na-30.
Mayenda ukona ndoda umdala kanje.
Hayi. Bengisa
Ngiyabuza,
ngisabhizi.
angisho i-dialogue. Ngani
Bengisabhizi
ngomsebenzi
mina.
nani?
Ngomsebenzi.
Oh,
Mhm.
okay. Then
Ngiyabonga
where are you
kakhulu.
from?
I'm from Escort.
Ngiyabanda Escort, yeah?
Ya, wafika Escort ngake ngabona ukuthi usescort.
Banda lapho, banda kakhulu. Kodwa siyabonga mama, uNkulunkulu abe nawe. May you enjoy your new job. Don't get comfortable. There's always a better position. Usebenze nje kahle, uzikhandle. Sizwana,
Thank you so much.
make us proud.
Thank you.
Ne?
Ngiyabonga.
Lale kahle Sindile. Uyeke ukukhuluma, hey, wena usile. Bye bye. Yasilala. Good night. Mama Khonza. Good night. Go on. Okay, guys. Let me. Mm. Guys, I'm just accepting. There's so many of you guys. Mina ngibo anginayo indoda. Why nginganandoda? Like, amadoda amaningi anje kule country. It's by choice at this point. So, le language le ngapha Harare yini futhi? Magatsheni
Sawubona bhuti.
kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Ikhamera yami nami ayisebenzi nje.
Kanjani?
Yo, is it working?
Uyangihlula manje because we are looking at the same screen sobabili like
Ngiyaxolisa, yo. I don't know. Like, I don't even know how it works.
una two
Oh.
seconds. Washa.
Sawubona bhuti.
Kunjani? Uhlula
Ngiyaphila.
i-technology kodwa abafana. Hayi. Yeah?
Eish.
Kodwa abafana.
Technology.
Uphumele ngale.
Yo.
Hmm?
Yo. Hayi, bengifuna ukuthi
Now feel
mina.
proud of yourself, ne?
Yeah. I'm trying, hey?
You're trying to what? To be proud of yourself or you're not?
Yes.
Yes, ini. Uyabona manje uhamba nami. Yini lo proud of?
Network yenzani? Hayibo, inetwork yami.
Ungehlula.
Askisi.
My brother, are you coming in? Yeah, I'm coming. Come, I'm gonna rock this crowd, man. Come and witness it. Yeah? Have you ever seen me perform before? Yeah. I changed lives, eh? Yeah. Come see. Big man. How are you, gentlemen? Good man. Right. Sharp man. How are you? How are you, brother? Are you the store manager? I'll go into the store manager. We have more than enough. Yeah? You can please the shed tag in. Yeah? Sharp. Yeah, Mando, we be righteous.
Ngiyabonga bhuti.
Kaneka, to be a fucker, getting it.
Okay.
No, good.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye.
You. And then ngizikhipha njani lapho?
It's a good pizza, man.
Ngicela ngikhiphe.
Sure. I mean, sometimes the Mutabang visa, how are you? How are you? Sure. How are you doing? Yeah, sure. Can you hear me? I said something to mind. I'm sure the camera is blogger. Like I no. Where were we? Too much people. I'm on this side of the whole the coach. Make it that partner. Ay. No. I can't. Alright, guys, I'm gonna be live after my show. I'm gonna be live when I'm back at the hotel. Say hello. After 2 hours, around midnight. Say hello. Which I will midnight.